What is it that you want to express?
Go!
Hey, Marieke Blokland here from Bloknote.nl. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hey everyone, Marieke Blokland here from Bloknote.nl. My desk is super messy today as I was cleaning my room, and I made a huge pile of work in the last couple of weeks, all on separate papers again. I also did some art journaling, but a lot of it was pretty dark and expressive. Everything is upside down on the pile. These are not really finished just yet. These are a bit cuter, inspired by Alice in Wonderland. A lot of masculine dolls with leathers, quite raw and expressive. That's similar to the other one. And these two, this is one of my favorites. And this is on my desk today. So yeah, everything that I'm currently making is quite raw and expressive, and that made me think what it is that you want or need to express. Because I was talking about creating art with people in the last couple of months, and someone said to me, I really do like your art, but I think I prefer something more colorful. And yeah, that's of course completely legit to say and feel and think. And yeah, I am creating things that I want and need to create. When I start to create, I think I ask myself, question what it is that I want to express. And that is a little exercise that you can do too. Sit relaxed with your both feet on the ground, close your eyes, and maybe you want to put your hands on your heart or your stomach, or both hands on your head. I don't know where you want to place your hands, but I often place my hands where I feel a sort of tension, and that can be in my belly or on my chest or my heart area. And I take a deep breath, and there's always something that's on my heart or on top of my mind. That's really easy to know, it's just there. Yeah, I use that to express myself, and that is probably the reason why a lot of my art is so dark, as I can deeply feel deeper emotions, and I need them to get out, and that is how I am creating my art. And what I do next is that I literally do this. I go to Spotify and I search for the mood that suits that feeling that's on top of either my stomach or my heart. I know I'm a pretty sensitive person, so yeah, I can really stick to what I feel. And then I click on a playlist that I like, or a song that I just need to hear. And then I use that as the main source of inspiration. So it's really close to what I feel, and then with the music always comes an image. So yeah, that is my little process on how I express what I feel. Pretty simple actually. That's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. You rock. Please support me by liking this video and subscribe for more quirky art inspiration and raw self-expression. Ciao!